let's unboard this. Oh my god, guys, let's unboard this. I need to change my kitchen. It's been long I got these things, these kitchen things. So let's open it. Oh my god, I love this. It's so heavy. I love this, my god. This bag is so cute. It's so cute. Can you guys see that? It's so cute. So let's open it. It's not easy. I think I'm going to. The carton is already. How do they do this now? Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm going to be unboxing it one by one. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. I just love the color. I love the color. How many is inside? Can you guys see that? Can you see the color? It's so beautiful. Sorry guys. So this is from AMALFI town, AMALFI, from the coast of Italy. It's so beautiful. Can you see how beautiful they are? So let me change my kitchen. I have a lot of plates. I prefer to use this to change this. This is can you see the color? They have different color. I'm going to. Oh my god. The orange, the lime. That was anytime I went to the last time I went to Amalfi, I'm talking about coast of Italy, Positano, Sorrento. So those people that went to Sorrento, that went to Amalfi, Amalfi, Positano, Sorrento. What is the other place? CAPRI. Yeah, I forgot to say Capri. You know what I'm saying. I have a lot. How many is this now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. And they are so cute. 6. It's different sizes. Oh, there's still other one like this. I'm just going to like this. Oh my god, guys. Like this, still the same color but different size. It's so cute. It's still inside. Yeah, I love, guys. Wow. I love this. Seriously, I love this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, this 12. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. This is heavy, guys. I have a lot of carton of plates. So when I saw this where I kept them, I just remember coast of Italy, CAPRI, Positano, Amalfi, Sorrento, and a lot more there. Can you see this? This is the big one, different sizes. Can you see that, guys? Can you see how cute they are? This is so cute. It's so cute. How many is this now? Look at the red. This makes me to remember, guys. This is the first time of coming across my video. Don't forget to join the family, like, subscribe. Look at the red. Wow. I bought a lot of, when I went to coast of Italy, I think last year, I bought a lot of things too. I bought a lot of things. So let's unbox this very quick. I still have a lot to unbox. Yeah, see this. Wow. Can you see the lime orange? Wow. Anytime I'm seeing this plate, it makes me want to go back to coast of Italy. Unfortunately, I don't think this year I can go because of my baby. So maybe it's too early to I don't know. It's too early to travel. Maybe it's still very small. So I think I need to also keep some. I can't just put. I can't use all. I need to keep some. So I need to keep the one I'm going to use. 1, 2, 3 is okay. 1, 2, 3 is okay. Then I'm going to keep this 1, 2, 3. So I took 3, yeah. This will be okay. This is okay. So this okay. Let me put this here. This is okay. So let's unbox the other one if time permits me. So I'm going to how to keep this now. So I'm just going to keep. Like this is mush, seriously. This is mush. So guys, thank you for arranging a little things with me. Thank you for the unboxing video. So I washed my hair. It's still not dry. You can see, guys. It's still not dry. So see you in my next video, guys. Let me keep this one here. Bye bye.